What was he calling? What was that?
Yeah, bro, next ball.
That was a strange. Oh, good touch. Good deception.
Bro, go through.
It's in. Nah, just a good deflection. Good deflection off Elliott's